far, is this what you typically see?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is all the cast iron pipe inside the foundation.
Okay.
Looks like we probably got some room turn offset going. Looks like where it's going. A little bit of offset there. Still cast iron.
So what was right there, that was just something that broke free?
That was basically just some gunk built up on the side of the line.
Okay.
It may have been like where the kitchen ties in or something, let's say. This is where it transitions, this is where it leaves the house, right outside the foundation, and transitions from cast iron to concrete. So
Okay. Interesting that it would be 52 feet. Cast iron to concrete leaves the house or leaves the property boundary?
It's typically right outside the foundation.
Okay. Interesting that that would be 52 feet.
Yeah, that's quite a bit of,
Because I thought...
I would have guessed like,
I thought it all went...
maybe even 30, but...
Right.
My guess is... My guess is that it probably heads out towards 30th, but... so this is where it transitions. It's going to go from 4-inch to 6-inch. This is most likely close to the property line. Or like basically right along the sidewalk. Spiderweb. And that's where you connect to city main.
That's the main right there.
Yep.
How big is that main?
That main looks like it's probably 10-inch.
Okay.
So your pipe is, 4-inch cast iron until it leaves the house, and it transitions to 4-inch concrete. And then at about 72 feet, about 20 feet beyond the house, where it switches from 4-inch to 6-inch concrete. But your pipe is in great shape. Nothing wrong with it at all.
Okay. Did you note where that bend was, where that thing might have broken free?
Yeah, it was like right around 30 feet. Right now I'm just doing the recording still, so I'm going to pull it all the way back.
Okay.
And then I'll go back in, probably have you turn some water on upstairs and see where that ties in. It may just be where connection where something else comes in.
Okay, so now we're in the house.
Now we're in the cast iron.
The cast iron goes to the edge of the house, the foundation.
Yeah, typically goes to the edge of the foundation.
Okay, 40 feet. We're probably talking going straight up to 30.
Yeah, that would be my guess.